Good guys, it is the weekend we've been waiting for all year long. Berlin Klassik, Grand Bend. Man, I'm pumped. About to drive the Benz over 200 kilometers. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but for a 33-year-old car, that's a lot. That's a lot. So that's about like 2.5 hours. I don't know if we're gonna stop, but man, I'm excited. So we're about to go meet up with some of the boys right now and then cruise all the way down to Grand Bend. So stay tuned. Cheers. All right, so we've made it to Tim's, parked up with Cody. Andrew just went to go get some gas, and then the convoy is rolling out. And then we will make our 200 kilometer plus journey. All right, let's see us on the road. All right, guys, we are on our way of the 200 kilometer journey. Wish me luck. Alright guys, so we've made it off the highway. We got about 50 more minutes to go. Oh, that was a bad idea. Andrew's the only one that made it behind everyone else. I have no idea. So we're gonna keep going. The last 30-minute stretch through the country roads. That's exactly what we needed. We all made it. We lost Cody, unfortunately, but Cody said he wanted to save gas, so I don't really blame him. But you know, once the Benz goes, you know, it ain't stopping, 200 kilometers straight, no brakes. We're almost there. 40 more to go. Alright guys, we are 26 minutes out. Cody is 35 minutes out. Now it's just all country road, cruising from here. It smells like shit. Hopefully the quick release clips didn't come off. I added a special sticker so they wouldn't come off, but we're almost there. We're almost there. I need to make a couple errands, but I'm hyped. We're getting there. The Benz has been very good so far, you know, knock on wood. Well, now just some smooth sailing. Inshallah. Alright, I'll keep you updated. So this is what we gotta do since the road is closed. Oh, we made it. Alright, that was pretty annoying. So that whole main road was blocked off, but I was like, man, I'm not turning around because it would take an extra 20 minutes to get around. So I just decided to go through it, go up it, had to drive on dirt. Honestly, my front lip could have been taken off, but I picked the right like snake path to go on. We made it. We're still going. Andrew in the back somewhere over there. We got to slow down a little bit now because now we're entering Grand Bend territory. This is all OPP area, so I don't need a chopper called on us, to be honest. Luckily, these back roads are 90, so that's pretty sick. All right, signing off for now. What does that say? 4 minutes away. There's the track. We finally made it, guys. We made it. Is the Popo still behind us? The Popo is not behind us, but we made it. Let's get it. Ontario's West Coast. See, there you go. Guys, I'm as excited as going to Canada's Wonderland right now. Like, that's what it feels like. All right, we're pulling in. All right, here we go. Let's switch the camera. Look at the nice cars. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We made it. Let's get it.
Yeah, I'm sorry, buddy. There's Mr. Field low, guys. We get through there. Leave it behind, so just take it easy.
What's going on, boss?
Buddy, that jaw-dropping livery is nice.
Thank you, thank you. 2-hour drive, you know?
Yeah, you're with one of the sponsor guys, yeah?
Most likely, usually am.
Well, we know who you are.
Yeah.
So if you go straight up to the gate, they should just let you in to be with the sponsor guys.
Okay, even for camping, I can just go in through
No,
there?
if you're just here for camping, I am unfortunately going to have to make you go down that dirt path and get in line with everybody else.
Okay, that's fine. But this would be to go into the show and park up already, or no?
We're just letting the vendors in with their big trucks and trailers and the campers in.
Okay.
So camping is off to the left, the vendors go straight ahead.
Okay, that's fine. I'll go that way for now.
Thank you, buddy.
Yeah, thanks, man. He's with me, by the way. Buddy, we made it! What the fuck is that? I don't need a car wash. It's muddy over there, bro. Fuck! Oh my god! Fuck! Fuck! Because I'm locked up, won't let me down. Because I'm locked up. You know, I thought we would have made it 2 hours being clean, but no. Because I'm locked up, won't let me down. Because we made it to town. Fuck! I need to wash the whip now.
Oh, it's so bad.
Fuck!
You went fucking swimming, bro.
Yeah, I was trying to just skirt it a little bit.
What the fuck?
Yo, wait, are all these people waiting to get in for camping?
Yeah, bro.
Like this entire...
Some of my boys camped here last night to get in.
Alright, sounds good, sounds good, sounds good. Yo, everybody here is here for camping.
That's so bad.
Bro, I went for a swim there.
Yeah, for real.
You see that little fishtail? I didn't want to get you dirty, that's why I tried to like speed up a little bit. Jeez.
Muddy now.
Dude, fucking 2-hour drive. How was it?
It's fucking beautiful.
That's sick, that's sick. Fuck, man.
Not too much traffic.
No, it was actually like beautiful, eh?
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
What, are they gonna make us park like fucking like that?
I guess so.
I don't know why that song stuck in my head, I'm sorry.
Bro, what do you think this is? Look at that. It's like a beach, bro.
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on?
I gotta have some fun for Berlin, you know?
I was barely able to get by. I see this guy's doing fucking slides on the whole place.
Your license plate. Go. Are you okay?
Nobody's going anywhere.
Nobody's fucking going anywhere.
Bro, that's fair, bro. Holy shit.
I was driving through it. This guy's in front of me. He's like, turn it up to your fenders. Like, that's just deep, right? And then we're driving on the grass. I can feel it.
Bro, I fucking was doing a little bit of drifting. Now there's Cody. You think we can try and get him up here? I want to send it. All right, guys, when you come in, there's a nice fucking drift corner over there, but beware. You're either gonna get beached or in mud. Benz can make it through anything. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, one more thing. 10 horsepower. Plus another 10 horsepower. There we go. We're gonna start a walk around. I guess we'll go up and down the rows. Walk around before the show. There's a lot of JDM cars here, eh? It's about to be called fucking Japanese classics. Let's go this way. So this is everybody coming, camping.
Just for camping.
Just for camping. Got it. Damn. Damn. There's a lot of Volkswagens. Oh, that's icy. It's a Saab. That's pretty sick. Mazda truck. Okay. Yo, Taken, there's a camping award for coolest car in camping. I wonder if we could win that, or I could win that.
We're both gonna be there. So. Well, yeah, I guess you can't vote for it.
So far, I'm not seeing. That's pretty fucking sick.
That's clean.
That's really clean.
That's not even in the show.
That's fucking icy. Some Porsche wheels on the fucking thing. What's going on, man? Already got the fireworks going? Got an Integra. Got some Mazda. Oh, Dominate. Oh, that's gonna be a show. Good. This guy's living lavish in here. Oh, bagged Audi. Okay. Oh, another bagged Audi. 2 bagged Audis. Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, S4 Eric? Yeah. Okay. I know him. Bagged. Okay, that's sick. Okay, I see you. Yo, some nice stance cars on that side. Yeah, I fuck with that. A little muddy over here. This is really muddy over here. Let's cut this way. This kind of goes hard, actually. Why does it seem so big?
OEM Plus.
Yeah, dead ass. I don't know, something about it just flows nice. I wonder who got taken away in an ambulance.
Oh, fuck, I love that.
Which one? Where is it? Should we walk down this way or just kind of see them both? We'll go this way. Fuck it. Yo, they really got the ambulance over there. Look at that. Someone definitely fucked up. Where are all my Euro cars at?
It's real. It's just like Gulf City.
Look.
The guys in Berlin.
Oh yeah. You know what's crazy? I thought like it's much bigger.
So did I. I thought.
Yeah, like this actually isn't that
just
bad.
like lame.
Yeah, it's okay. This isn't too bad.
It's packed over there. To make it seem
Bro, the Volkswagen category this year is gonna be fucking like crazy. Look at that. There's a Subi over there. That's fucking sick. That fucking olive one.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, that's fucking icy.
Nice.
Yo, dead ass though. He definitely has some fucking No one's really that muddy. I must have fucking...
They must have got sent. Alright guys, so a little update. I know we're at a car wash now, so where were we? So we were chilling over there, we were in the lot. Essentially it's been over 3.5 hours of waiting to get in, and people kept cutting the lines and it's getting pretty frustrating, you know, a little bit fed up, so I was like, fuck that. I reversed the car out, and I kid you not, like I was mirror to mirror on both sides getting it out. So I reversed the car out about 10 car lengths back. So I was like, shit, okay. So I made it out, and I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna come back later, you know, like the car is dirty. Like I'll show you guys the car. Ooh, okay. You got a little M3 over there? Yeah, so the car is dirty. We had to come get it a wash. This place, when you Google it, it says laundromat. So like, what do you expect? You expect it to be a laundromat. And then I'm driving by, just casually cruising to kill some time, and I pull in last second. It's not a laundromat. Or it is, but it's also car wash, finally. Like I know 3D Products washes or has the wash available, but that lineup takes hours. And then you gotta pay, I'm pretty sure 10 or 20 bucks. I'm pretty sure it's 10 bucks, but like, look at this. It's dirty. Like that's dirty. It's dry too, everywhere. Everywhere. Like I sent it a little too hard, but when you come into Berlin, if anybody's watching this from Berlin, there is a corner. I fully drifted the corner, went in the swamp, and then I did a little fishtail just to have some fun, you know? But now it's time to clean the car. Alright, looking icy. Clean now. Finally. Now we can enter Berlin Klassik. Alright guys, finally. We made it. We are in. We got the bench set up, we got the tent, we got the crew. Everybody's here. We got some beautiful cars. Let me show you guys the camping spot.
Yeah. A beer, long, value, a Cheerio. Okay, I don't got a bit of weed in the nine. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Car down there did a dime. Yeah.
Alright guys, it is late. We are walking around, gonna scope out some cars.
Late night, telephone, calling all the wallflowers I know. Out the dark, into the light. Half love, half regret. Dressing up for Polaroids and cigarettes. Socialize, romanticize the life.
Let's fucking go, baby. Look at that. Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
Look, I said all I need is love, now I'm feeling love and I still want more. I won't lie, I feel unsure. I don't know if this feeling's real. You can tell that I'm insecure. Baby, I'm delusional. You said go and talk to them other girls. I said I want you the most.
What is good, guys? Day 2 Berlin Klassik. It's about 7 in the morning. We've been up since 5:40. Just kind of cruising, going to Tim Hortons, going to the beach. I'll put some clips in. We're ready. Cheers. What is going on, guys? So we officially made it. We're parked up. I might actually go on the track and drag strip just for the fun of it, to be honest, just to see what I can time. So I'm gonna throw this out. It's been sitting in my car for a couple hours, and then we're gonna do a full walk around. So we'll start with the cars, and then we'll move on to the vendors.
It's good, it's good. Don't worry, let's clean it.
Guys, we just competed in our first ever drag run, and if I'm reading this right, 17.57. 33 years old, and I'm pretty sure that's faster than most of your Jettas. Jeez, let's get it. This is sick. This is sick. All right, guys, we are waiting one more time because I really want to try and do one more. But that's it, just because it's an old car. I gotta drive it home after, you know. So one more. Hopefully we can beat 17. I'm hoping for 16. I think 16 would be nice. Even 15 would be beautiful. So we're gonna do one more run. I'm gonna film it with a closer POV this time, and then we'll go from there. Cheers. Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Damn, beat the last one by a millisecond. Second time on the track ever. We beat it by a millisecond. So the first run we did was 17.57. The second run we did was 17.55. So I guess now we know the Benz limitation is 17.5, maybe 17. On a good day, maybe 16, but that's enough. I gotta put the heat on max right now just to cool it down. What a rush, guys. What an experience. $10. Like that was beautiful. That was gorgeous. Holy shit. That is exactly what I wanted to do. These souvenir right here, first time ever on the track.
It's mine.
Talk to me about it. Talk to me about it. Because I want to understand. Like, what is the story? Like,
What is good, guys? Sorry we've been slacking on the filming, but today is day 3, final day. I'll try and get you guys up to speed. Last night was a movie, you know. I passed out in my Benz, woke up at 4 in the morning, so that's how my night was. But we had 2-step comp right in front of where we were camping, which was phenomenal. It was so loud I had to put my... Oh, there we go. That's gonna be Tony next, because I think I'm gonna go drag it one more time today, but I'm not sure. But anyways, last night was crazy. I had to put noise canceling headphones in just because of how loud it was. There was this Acura TL. Oh my god, it was like boom, bah, boom, bah, and that's it. But it was so damn loud that I was getting annoyed, you know. But that's life. Here, let me show you the Benz. It got covered. I tried to wash it off with the drag hose, but now I gotta wait in line. This is wash number, what, 5? I know you guys can't really see it, but it's like, it's covered. It's covered. Everybody's waiting. Alright, so once we get closer, I'll do a little wash. It might be a quick ass wash, and then I'm gonna go straight into the show. We're gonna film some of the cars, and then hopefully that's it. So we are almost good to go and ready. Everybody's coming in. Got some drag cars. Got a Ferrari drag. What is going on, guys? We found our final parking spot for the day. This is day 3, final day. It is 1 p.m. right now. It looks a little gloomy, but that's okay, because at 2 we got Limbo. At 3 we got, I think it's 2-step or maybe the teeter-totter again. And then we don't got awards until about 6. We have open lapping, we have drifting, we got a drag. So we got a full day ahead of us. I'm gonna try and film as much as I can. Oh, I need to fix the beard. Gotta go to Kronos and get a nice fresh cut. Alright, so I'm gonna show you some pics of the Mercedes and how it stands, where we're at, and then we're gonna go walk around this beautiful park. Okay, so let's go to the Mercedes.
M1 on the beat.
M11 and I brought down motor, one-way trip tomorrow.
I'm rapping them big beats. I got that bitch, she rapping them big beats. I'm up at Bean Street, smoking that dope. I came with a few P's. I got that bitch with a buddy, they slutty. I call it a little bit of the dick G. But a little bit with a buddy, her buddy, the bitty, they let her consult me. Dragon little shit.
At 7 a.m. I was fucking your lot. 11 a.m. you took that bitch right to brunch. Like I lost a lot of friends, but who gives a fuck? I got the money now, that's all that I want.
I got a little order. Yeah, I got a little order. My heart got colder. And it's still for them niggas tryna fuck me over. Yeah, damn, I be missing the act with a motherfucking soda. I be smoking the
Hey Jolo, we shooting outside.
What's good, G? What's good?
What it do, G?
sign and looking for some cheese. I told him it's fucking my mom, but he really busy to ask me if I got it talking for really. I told her I got it. And nothing be cut in the belly. I'm taping new diamonds. I told him they turn on the
Baby, that car ain't nothing but a pussy wagon. You go after it.
Pussies. Called the first one savage, on my move, that's what it was. Yeah. Or be alone, now you a Cheerio. I don't got a bit of weed in the line. Car down the middle of the line. Nigga still got another 9. Yeah. Sent my boy 100 rats in the chain gang, nigga, cause money is time. Oh God.
Love you guys all. Thank you so much for coming out to our event.
All right, guys, it is the end of the day. Everyone has gone home. We got the Benz ready for our long journey ahead. We'll still film some content as after shot, just getting home, so we make sure we get home safe with no problems. Damn, that's loud. But guys, we have won. We have won Mercedes-Benz Klassik 1997 and older. Yes, sir. So we are a 1991 Mercedes-Benz. So I'm hyped. Let me show you guys.
Radio on the beat.
Ain't gotta really work on nothing. Yeah, it's gonna be okay. Ain't gotta really work on nothing. Yeah, we up in the rain. Shawty feel right for that. Yeah.
All right, we are on the road. It is officially home time.